I'm Ahmed Al-Oula. I am the Deputy CEO of THIQAH Business Solutions. So in THIQAH, we use very advanced solutions and technologies coupled with new business models and innovative business models in order to solve very complicated problems, basically. We work with governments, with the private sector as well, to identify gaps in the market, to identify challenging obstacles, and we use our capability in technology and also our deep understanding of different markets and sectors in order to provide very innovative smart solutions. Some of the technologies that we are presenting in LEAP are AI technologies, mainly computer vision and also in natural language understanding. We have implemented those technologies, advanced technologies in our solutions in order to solve more than one problem with our governmental partners and also with the private sector as well. I think it's about time to have LEAP. The technology sector here in Saudi Arabia is booming, and it's even reaching its impact is reaching the region and touching the region overall. Having LEAP will showcase those capabilities, those companies, and will also position those companies in the right way. I believe it's a great start, and hopefully we'll have LEAP each and every year for the years to come.